This video is about basic select statements. Every database is made up of different tables. Here you can see all the tables in the AdventureWorks database. If I have to scroll through all of this every time, it's going to take a lot of time, which is why we use a select statement. Let's say I want to get the person.person table. I can say select star. When you use star, you tell SQL to fetch everything in that table. Every select clause needs a from. This is telling SQL where it needs to get the information. So we want it from person.person. If we execute, we'll get the entire person.person table. But that's a lot of information. Sometimes you only want a few columns. In that case, we can say select and enter the column names that we want. Let's get first name and last name. We separate them with a comma. Now we enter our from clause. Again, it's from person.person. Now you'll only see the columns you asked for. There's an easier way to get the column names. If we start out with our from clause, so we'll say select and then from person.person. Then when we go back, SQL knows where to fetch the columns from. So when we start typing first name, it gives us the suggestion. The same with last name. You can get any of the columns in this table like this. You can also just select the top few rows from a table. To do this, we say select, top, and however many rows you want. So let's say I want the top 100. Then you can say if you want a few columns or the entire table. I'm going to select everything from person.address. And here you'll see you only get 100 rows instead of the entire table. You can also right-click on the table and say select top 1000 rows. And there you'll see you get 1000 rows. That's everything for the basic select statement. Look for the link down below for some exercises.
Our sponsors, Help, MyDatabaseIsSlow.com, specializes in making slow databases run faster. Contact them. They may be able to help.